All right guys, so I've got some Samsung Note 10 Plus cases here that we're going to be checking out. This is from Supcase and i-BLASON. We're going to test them out and see what it looks like on my Note 10 Plus dummy phone over here. So let's open them up, see what it looks like on the Note 10 Plus. So the first one here is from i-BLASON. It's got that nice marble design, bluish turquoise color. So this one looks like it is a two-piece. So you do have to remove the inside outer frame first before you install it. Snap it onto your Note 10 Plus, and there you go guys. So that's what it looks like on this nice beautiful marble case from i-BLASON. On the side it's covered, well, there's actually no button on the side there. On the bottom it's exposed. You see access to your S Pen, speaker, your Type-C slot, and your microphone. On the other side, all the buttons are covered, and then on top, all your microphone are exposed. This one is the purple color, which is pretty much similar to the first one there. That looks really nice. The next one here, you've got a completely different design. You've got a see-through glass. And this one, it is a two-piece case again. You do have to remove that outer frame before you install it. All right, so that's what it looks like with this design. You got a nice see-through glass on the back there. You can see the Samsung logo. The bottom is open, and the Type-C is exposed. It's got a door there if you want to open it or close. And then on the side, all the buttons are covered and so forth. This is the last case from i-BLASON. So it's pretty much similar to the blue one, but this time it is gold. As you can see from the outer trim there, it is gold. Okay, so next, let's move on to the next case. This is from Supcase. Let's check this out. All right. So again, it's got that nice bright color. It's got a light blue and dark blue combination, and the back is completely cleared. This one, this is pretty much somewhat of a slim profile case. As you can see, it is really, really slim. The bottom exposed, side open and close. This one looks really nice, guys. Okay. Let's move on to the heavy duty case. All right, look at this, guys. This is the heavy duty case that they have here. It is a two-piece case. On the back, you pretty much can clamp this on your backpack or on your belt. This thing can be removed. And here is the case itself here, guys. So once again, you have to remove the frame, outer frame here. Okay. So the same method, just place this over on top of your Note 10 Plus and mount it back to the frame, the case. And on the back, you've got a nice looking design there. You could flip this out if you do decide to watch your YouTube or Netflix video. You could place it mounted like that on the table. And on the side here, covered, bottom exposed, you do have that flap for your charging port. On the side, all the buttons are covered. Okay, and once again, you do have this clip here that you could just clip on, like so, and you could attach it to your backpack or on your belt. All right, so the last one is pretty much the same thing, but in light blue color. Pretty much the same thing, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just a little quick video on the brand new Samsung Note 10 Plus cases. If you guys are interested, links will be down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.